Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually start earning a ton of views and start getting a lot of these revenue from LoFi beats. Now, LoFi beats are something that I personally have had experience in making, and they're quite simple to make, and they don't really require you to just go ahead and sit the whole day in the studio. You can actually pretty easily make them without actually taking a lot of your time. However, the difficult part here is going to be the marketing, which is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So how you can actually go ahead and market your LoFi beats and make them much more likely for people to actually click on them and give you the ad revenue. So you can expect around $1,000, $2,000 a month. But it could be fluctuating, but LoFi beats are really easy to make, so this channel can bring you a lot of that side income, and then you can actually go ahead and scale this to even more. You can probably get more than 10k a month. You could scale it if you have the kind of the audience, if you have the kind of time to actually put in the effort, and then you can actually go ahead and scale the whole channel. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually go ahead and start doing this, start getting a lot of views, and this will require a bit of a work, but you're going to be getting start seeing some of the results if you start putting in the techniques that I'm going to be talking about in this one. Now, one of the good example for this one is going to be LoFi for Life, and this is a very new channel, I would say. It is a very new channel because the oldest video it has posted was around 2 months ago. So this is a new channel, as you can see, but it has already gotten almost 2 million, almost 3 million views, which is around $10,000 just from ad revenue. So this channel has made more than 10,000 in 2 months just from ad revenue. That's $5,000 per month that this channel might be making, anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 per month just from ad revenue. And you can actually go ahead and do the same thing. The thing about these channels is that the videos are very long, so once your videos get monetized, you can actually place multiple ads throughout the video, which is even gonna bring you more and more revenue. But the catch here is that you have to kind of be able to know and get the kind of music that these channels are using. For example, this channel is using a ton of music. Okay, as you can see, 3-hour long mix it has created. Now, do you actually have 3-hour long beats available? If you don't have to license beats from other people. What you can actually do is make your own beats. Okay, and I'm not going to cover how to make those beats, but I will probably make kind of like a short video on that one, how to make LoFi beats from scratch, under a minute or something like that. And I'm also gonna try to get some like a sample pack or something, just to help even more of you guys. If you don't know how to play guitar, you don't know how to play ukulele, if you don't know how to play the cello and piano, whatever, right? I'm gonna go ahead and get some samples for you guys. If if you're getting a lot of views, if you're getting a lot of likes on this video. Okay, so here, this channel right here, as you can see, they are kind of making the music. They're not actually making their music themselves, they're actually just licensing the music, and they're not really paying anything to these artists. I'm not sure if they're paying anything, but I'm kind of sure that they are not paying anything. Okay, so they're actually licensing the music right here, but you can actually go ahead and make your own music because you're a music producer. And if you're not a music producer, you can learn how to make your own music, and you can actually go ahead and produce almost like 25 beats. 25 beats would require almost like a couple of days to make. If you average like 10 beats a day, you can make a 20 beats you can make a 20 beats mix right there, and then just compile the video, all that right there. You can just go ahead and compile the video Now this is even more than 25. I'm kind of guessing, because it kind of just stops right there. But you don't have to go for 3 hours long. You can just go ahead and keep it under an hour. Okay, so under an hour would be a good idea, and you're gonna have multiple ads running throughout this throughout this video. I have a I'm gonna have to play this in the incognito mode. I don't really know if this channel has ads or if this channel is monetized, so I have to play this in the incognito mode since I'm using YouTube Premium, and I'm also using an ad blocker. I'm using both here, so I don't really know, but I'm gonna have to play this in the incognito for find out. You can just go ahead and do it yourself. But the point that I'm making here is that you guys need to understand that you have to kind of produce your music for yourself on your own. If you license these music, the point here is that it might get copyrighted. Somebody, even though the producers are not going to copyright it, but somebody else is going to go ahead and misuse the copyright claims and claim your video, and then you're going to lose the monetizable status, which is not going to be very good. So you kind of need to look out for that. Another thing that you need to look out for is going to be what exactly or how you exactly are going to market these beats. Now, if I play this here, let me just go ahead and mute that. If I just play here, you can see that there is kind of like an animation playing, and this animation is it's pretty simple to make. I'm going to show you in this video, so just keep watching the video, guys. I'm going to show you a similar animation like this one, how you can actually go ahead and make similar animation like this one. And the animation alone is kind of making a lot more, it's just driving the engagement rate. Okay, so a lot of people are actually clicking on this video and then staying on this video because of the animation, and they're kind of like putting it on like a big screen or something. They're kind of like just putting it on a big screen, and then they're just gonna leave it right there. The animation is gonna keep playing, and then they might start doing something else. Maybe they start to drink coffee, enjoy coffee, or maybe start studying, which like most people excuse me, which like most people like to do while playing the lo-fi beats. Excuse me. But yeah, this is what you need to kind of do in these when you're posting beats like this. Gone are the days when you have to post a single beat. If you can post single beats, so that's going to be no copyright niche, and I've already got a video on a no copyright niche, but you guys can go ahead and check it out. It would be in the top right corner, or it would be in the description. Either way, you can go ahead and check it out. But I'm showing you here is the lo-fi niche, the main lo-fi niche. Okay, beats for study, beats for chill niche, and how to actually go ahead and get how to actually go ahead and get successful on this one. So this is the kind of thing that you're going to be needing to do here. You're going to be having to use some of those animation or something that is similar to this one, and what exactly you're going to be needing is kind of like a brand style, which this guy has done the same thing. Lo-Fi for Life. This guy's doing the same thing. He's using cats as kind of like a prop or something, and he's using cats as some kind of a pivotal point of his channel. The identity of his channel is like a cat, which I don't understand, but it's working for this guy. So I think this is something that you can actually take the inspiration from. You can actually make a kind of like a, I don't know, mascot or something for your channel. I don't know, man, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You have to be creative when it comes to these things, because there is a bit of a competition going on. You have to make sure that your beats are different from others. How do you even make sure that your beats are different from others? How do you even make sure that people are going to be clicking on your videos instead of clicking on someone else's playlist? This is the way. This is the way. This is how you're going to be getting people to click on your videos. Now, the most important thing is going to be the thumbnail here, and the animation. So I'm going to show you the animation, how to make the animation on a free software known as Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and show you on Canva right now. Alright, so on Canva, just go ahead and pick the video. Go ahead and click on create design, pick a video, and once you're on the video here, right, you can see the canvas right there. Now you're going to be needing a kind of like an animated character here, so you're going to go to elements and you're going to search for something. Let's just kind of recreate the whole thing, the cat thing. Okay, so I'm going to select a cat here, and I'm going to get this cat right there. I don't know, it just looks stupid, but whatever, man. Okay, I mean, I'm just gonna show you. You guys can go ahead and be more creative with this. So now I'm gonna use a pink color here because that seems to be working much more. That works a lot better. And now we're gonna use text, and I'm gonna add some text here. I don't know what kind of font that it's gonna be. Something that's more lo-fi. Let me just go ahead and search lo-fi. If it pops up, let's see. Doesn't work. But handwritten could work. I would say handwritten could work. Yes. There we go. This one. So now I'm gonna call this one lo-fi mix. I mean, just be creative here. I'm gonna use lo-fi mix, study mix, lo-fi mix, whatever you want to call it, and just change the color. I'm gonna make it a bit whiter, not that much. I don't know, man, that looks stupid. Okay, so I got something going on here. Now I can put this right there, and I can put this cat over here, and I can also put some like an overlay or something, right? Let's put that over here. That looks a lot better, you know. That looks a lot better in my head though. But I'm gonna need premium for that. For the glitters and all those things. If you do have premium, guys, you can go ahead and use that. Or you can actually go ahead and search for like a PNG or something, and then upload it on Canva and then use it. But here's the something like a basic animation that you can actually go ahead and get from Canva for free, without even using a third-party software. So this is pretty good, you know. It's like something that's similar to what this guy was making, you know. For example, as you can see, it's a lot more refined, I would say, because obviously he put a lot of work and effort into this. But I can just go ahead and tell you that if you put enough effort into this, you're going to be getting something that's going to be similar to this one. So don't be discouraged or something, because you're going to have enough of an opportunity here to make it a lot more better. Okay, so now you want to keep it 5 seconds, and just go ahead and export this video on your hard drive. Now once you export this on your hard drive, you want to go into your editing software, and then you just make sure the video keeps on repeating. Okay, and then you want to go ahead and upload your music, the whole playlist and all those things. Then you want to go to here and then start uploading the track list, and with the whole thing, this is just gonna make your channel look a lot more vibey, a lot more appealing, I would say. Okay, so something that you can do, and that will not cost you a lot more. Okay, so once you start doing these things, you're going to be getting a ton of views, just like this guy's getting a lot of views. As you can see, he got almost 2k views in 11 hours. He got in one day he got 4.9k views, awesome, right? And he got 38, 48k views, 84k views. So he's getting a lot of views, and most of his views are coming from the suggested, I'm pretty sure, because he's not ranking on the search. Okay, so most of the views that this guy's getting is going to be in the search. So you want it's not search, but in the suggested. Okay, so YouTube is suggesting these kind of videos to those people who are watching this, because I personally think these kind of videos do get suggested quite a lot, even though I haven't actually gone YouTube hasn't suggested any of those videos to me, even though I watch a lot of lo-fi content. But YouTube usually suggests me the kind of Korean pop music and the Korean lo-fi beats. Somehow, I don't know why. But you can actually go ahead and get your music suggested to a ton of people, because there are a lot of students who are listening and searching for this videos. And the more appealing you can make, the better it's going to be for you. The better it's going to be for your channel. Alright, so this is going to be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, please hit the thumbs up, please like the video, please subscribe to my channel, please also hit the bell notification, because I'm going to be posting a lot more videos in this month. I'm kind of hoping I'm going to be posting more and more in July. I didn't have time to post in June, but I do have time now, so I'm going to be posting more and more on my channel. So make sure to hit the bell notification, because you want to get notified whenever I post. My next video is going to be great. Okay, I'm going to keep on posting more videos. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.